Hi, Namaste. This is Mansi Gulati, your face yoga expert. Today I am going to teach you 5 yoga asana for strengthening and toning your facial muscle that also help to increase blood circulation. So we are going to take help of water. It's a very easy exercises and believe me, you are going to see amazing result in just 7 days. The first exercise, you are going to fill water in your mouth for 10 seconds. This is really good for muscle contraction. This is excellent for increasing blood circulation, reducing toxins. So every asana we have to perform, guys, for 3 times for better result. Let's do it again. Hold water for 10 seconds. We can do this asana anytime, anywhere. Now the second asana, which is really good for reducing double chin, excellent for strengthening and toning our facial muscle. Let's do it. Fill your mouth with air and look up. This is excellent for activating your platysma muscle. Now we are going to do this asana again. Fill your mouth with water. Let's do it. And release. So drink a lot of water, every half an hour, half glass of water, and this water exercises are amazing. Now let's do 2 more exercises without water. Same thing you are going to do. Fill your mouth with air. Again, fill your mouth with air. Let's do squeeze pose. Inhale, squeeze your face tightly for 10 seconds. And release. This is really good, very relaxing. Now let's do Kapalbhati Kriya. Fingertip, you're going to press your fingertip, inhale, fill your mouth with air and hold the breath. And release. So which is your favorite asana? Do tag to me and you're going to see very good result with face yoga. With this, if possible, do follow some diet also. After 5, stop eating oily food, junk food, no refined sugar, maida. We need to take care of lot of things and drink lot of water. Always stay healthy, happy, beautiful. We'll come back again. Thank you.